Officers initiated this stop after directly observing rapid lane changes and failure to stop at a steady red light, a constitutionally valid predicate under Warren v. United States, 1996, and Florida Statute Section 316-074.
Yo, let the police! Let the police!
I live here, so who the f*** are you?
Okay,
I live here.
Walk to me. You're being detained.
I live
You're being
here.
detained.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're going to be detained.
Don't touch
Relax
me.
your hands. We're the Orlando Police Department.
Okay, that's fine.
This is
though.
a traffic
I've been
stop.
watching you following me.
And this is a traffic stop, and you're
You
resisting.
should announce yourself.
You're actively resisting. That's what the lights are for, and that's what I'm telling you. We're the police, and you're still
Obviously,
resisting.
you knew they're police when you hopped
I didn't obviously know.
You need to relax. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Explain yourselves now.
No, we're not going to do that.
Walk to the
Explain
side of the car.
yourselves.
Walk to the side of the car.
Explain yourself.
I will in a second if you just stop. doing
Stop
your thing.
what?
Stop. I need you to relax, okay? Take a deep breath. You understand? This is a traffic stop.
Explain
This is
yourself.
why we have red and blue lights, and you're going to identify
Explain-
yourself as required by law.
Okay.
Okay? Where's your
Leilani.
license? Okay, where's your license?
I'm not giving you because you put me in handcuffs.
Once again, with the Atlanta Police Department,
You're going to relax.
okay, as
You have to
indicated by
take
red
the
and blue lights.
handcuffs off.
No.
Absolutely
Then you're not
Stop.
going to get anything from me.
Stop. Lean against the car.
No.
Okay.
You're detained for a lawful
You're
traffic
detained.
stop.
Yeah.
Explain why.
Okay? You do not
Lean
come to a
against the
complete
car,
stop at
please.
Cimarron and
No,
Grant.
you have to explain it.
I just did.
Where?
Cimarron and Grant before you turn on Grant. You did not come to a complete stop at the red light. We were behind you since then.
It was yellow
It was
as
red.
I was turning.
Okay.
I'm recording I have a camera in my car.
Good. Well, it'll help our case. We appreciate it.
Okay.
Is there anything wrong with your license?
Huh?
Anything wrong with your license?
No, honey.
Do you have a license? Out of what state? Florida or Delaware?
Delaware.
Yeah? How long you lived here for?
3 months.
Cool. You know you have 30 days to change your license
I already have an appointment, sweetheart.
after the 30 days?
You have...
It's on Monday,
Okay. Well, you said you moved here 3 months ago, which is over 30 days.
and there's a wait period.
Is your license in the car?
Uh-huh.
Do you mind if we go and get it?
I do mind. I do not consent to you going to my car, but I'll
Okay.
get it for you. I'll roll my
We're-
windows
we're
down.
pa-
You can
we're-
look in
we're
there. I
past that
already
point.
opened the door.
Would you be able to give this officer
You
your
can
name and
give
date of
me-
birth so he can run you, please?
You can give me a traffic citation. But
I will,
it's
but we have to
not-
know who
it's
you are.
not- It's not lawful for you. You can run it right there.
Out of state, it's hard for us, so we need to get your
It's
name and date
not
of birth.
hard, sweetheart.
You-
I'm already
By law,
registered.
you have to identify
I
yourself.
already changed my address 2 weeks ago.
We need your name and date of birth.
I work for Disney.
If you do
I'm
not
a
identify
chef.
yourself, you're going to
I
go to
went
jail.
from seasonal.
Ma'am.
Excuse me.
If you do not identify yourself, you're going to go to jail.
Wait, you have to take this off, and I'll get it
No,
for you.
that's not how this works.
Yes, it is how it works.
The way
Ma'am,
you're acting,
I'm going to tell you again.
How am I acting?
like this.
You're pulling me up in front of my house
You're coming out of your car like this. We don't know
because
who you
I'm
are.
pissed off.
Ma'am.
You pulled me up in front
That's
of my
not how-
house.
That's not how adults behave.
I don't care. I don't care. You can't tell
Ma'am,
me how
I'm
to
gonna ask you
feel.
once again.
You can't tell me how
Okay,
to
body
feel.
cam's been recording the whole time.
Yeah, okay.
I need you to provide us your name and date of birth.
Leilani Rose is my nickname.
What's your full legal name?
Lanny Rose is your nickname. So
Yes.
you're still failing to identify yourself.
I'll get my
Okay,
license
you're
if
under
you.
arrest. She's under arrest. You're done.
For what?
Tax 75. Can you get the 40, please?
Resisting what?
You're resisting.
No, you're not. No.
You resisted
Take
multiple
this off.
times.
Take this
Resisted
off,
multiple
and then I'll
times.
go
No,
ahead and
you're
get
under
the.
arrest.
Y'all are just gonna waste
Stop it.
time.
Stop. Stop.
Y'all
You
are just
under
gonna.
arrest.
Okay, and then okay, I have to call some people. All right.
Go ahead and call some people after you've been booked in jail.
If y'all want to waste time over.
Do you have a
said 'cause I
handicap
didn't-
placard, by the way?
What are you talking about? This is the office, and I live right next door to the office. And I pulled in
Okay.
here because you
I
flashed
know.
your lights. And aren't I supposed to pull over right away?
I thought you were going to run in the front of the building, to be honest.
I got angry because I had a long day. I'm a chef. I work at Disney. I had to work a double today. It's been Veterans Day week. And I don't appreciate you guys tailgating me the whole time. I didn't know you were cops, and I apologize for that.
How are we tailgating you?
What? You literally chased me down the street.
How we
and
chased you
this
down the
is
street?
Orlando. There's weirdos out here, and I've been followed 7 times since I've been living out here.
Sorry to hear
So yes, and I'm not stupid. I have a taser, but the battery died.
Yeah, you can start typing if you want.
Yeah, the battery died in the
I need your
taser.
information. Are you still refusing to give
No,
us your
I'll give
information?
it to you. Let me get my license. You can run everything you want. Fine, write it down. You still need the license, don't you? And the registration and the
Well,
insurance.
normally this is how it works, okay?
I haven't been pulled over in 15 years. 'Cause
Red and blue lights come up. People don't accelerate into a parking spot and then get out of the
Because
car.
I already live here.
Okay, but that's not how it works. You do understand.
But now you
that?
understand because I live
No,
here.
it doesn't
No,
matter.
you
That's
have to
not an
understand that I
excuse.
live here.
How are you supposed to know that? How are you supposed to know that?
I'm
We
telling you now.
don't even know who you are, so how are you supposed to know where you live?
I'm telling you
Before we
now.
pull you
I can
over.
prove it to you right
And
now.
ma'am, this is a Delaware license, but I guarantee you it comes back to an address in Delaware.
Yeah, but I just
How are you
changed my
supposed to know?
license. I
Okay.
just changed my address.
You just said you have an appointment at the DMV. You have to
On
change it.
Monday.
Then how did you change your address and your license?
Because you can do that at the post office. I'm not an idiot.
Will you spell your first name, please?
ROSALYN. I appreciate you guys protecting.
You can't get a new license at the post office.
I didn't say anything about a license. I said change of address.
You said you changed your address on your license.
Huh?
You said you changed your address on your
Please
license.
pay attention to what I'm saying.
Leo, it's on the notepad.
Because you like to play around. I don't know how y'all do stuff in Orlando, but in Delaware, we have something called the DMV. Y'all don't have like that out here. I don't know how that works.
You literally type in Florida
It said-
DMV and it comes up.
No, it said a tax repair person. I have to go to them to get my license switched over.
Tax collector.
Oh,
Yes.
exactly. Y'all do different out here. I don't know
The
about
Department of
that.
Motor Vehicles is attached to the tax collector's office.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that on Monday. I don't know anything about that. I appreciate you explaining it to me. It's very complicated out here.
Florida Statute, Section 322.1-5 imposes a non-discretionary duty. Every driver must produce their license upon demand during a lawful stop. This obligation does not implicate Fourth Amendment protections, does not trigger Miranda, and is not waivable by the driver. Under Heibel versus 6th Judicial District, 2004, stop and identify statutes are constitutionally valid. Refusal is a statutory violation, not a protected right.
Do you live with someone here that can come and take care of the car?
Why?
You're going to jail.
For
I
what?
already explained that to you when I told you you're under arrest.
For what?
You kept pulling me around,
What are you
pushing
talking
around.
about?
Huh?
No one touched you.
I already explained to you that you're going for
I
resistance.
only walked from here to
Okay.
here.
Everything's on camera, so
Yes.
uh,
I
don't
have
need
a
to
lawyer
explain
and
myself.
stuff, and I don't know why we need to do all
Go
this.
ahead.
Did you find anything?
Find
Because he
what?
said you were going to run my license or something and
You don't have
my
your license.
plate.
Yeah, that's fine.
If I gave you my name or
So what
something
does that
like
matter?
that.
Your behavior dictated
he's-
that decision.
You said that if I gave you my name, then you were going to run
I
it.
asked you multiple times and you refused.
You guys didn't even tell me why you were
Okay.
pulling me over. So no, I'm not going to
We
tell you.
don't, we don't have to do
on and on
that.
about
so.
your issues that you didn't want to listen to.
You
what I
didn't
said.
even run your siren or anything. You
you're going to jail.
literally stalked me.
I already explained to you you're under arrest.
We're gonna go on
For
the market
what?
so far.
Okay. Are you going to keep resisting? Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah. because
Okay,
I
yes,
don't-
okay. This is the reason why you're going to jail.
I don't agree. This is unlawful
Okay.
and I don't agree. I don't agree.
You say you have an attorney, right?
I do
That's
not
why we have
agree.
a court system. Do you have anything on you?
What do you mean?
Do you have anything on you that we should
In
know
your
about
pockets.
because they're going to check you at the jail?
For what? What are you talking about?
You have anything in your
I
pocket?
Do you
want
have
to be
anything in your
released.
pockets?
I don't even understand why I was pulled
No,
over.
you don't dictate how things
I
work.
want to be
Clearly,
released.
the entire time
I
you've been
do
telling
not
us how to do our
understand
job.
why I was
That's
pulled
not how it
over.
works.
You guys
This is-
didn't
Maybe
run
in
your
Delaware,
you
but
didn't
in the
turn
state of
your
Florida, that's not how it works.
signal on, and you didn't explain why you were even pulling me over.
Get in the car, please.
And this is my house.
Okay, get in the car. I'm going to secure your vehicle, and the keys are
What
going
do
to go
you
with you.
mean?
Do you want any property out of your
No,
car?
you guys didn't explain why you pulled me over.
Okay, if you don't explain to me what you want out of your car, then I'm just going to secure with your
I
property.
need
in there.
all of my stuff,
Okay.
and I don't want to go anywhere because this is my
Okay,
home.
well, you're still resisting. You see, I'm giving you a lawful order. You got to step in the car.
I don't mind talking to you,
Okay,
but I do
we're
not
done
agree.
talking. We're not going to have
You're
court
not.
roadside.
Do I get like my rights?
No,
No,
Why not?
because we're not asking you anything criminal.
no.
Well, you can't take me to jail over a traffic stop.
Okay, that's not what we're doing.
So what is
Probably
it?
can in Delaware, but in Florida, it's okay.
All right.
So is
Step
that
inside.
no? Can
Come on,
you?
go in the car.
So it
Come
is
on,
because
get
of
in
a
the car.
traffic stop? I just
The
need to know.
traffic stop developed into you resisting for no reason.
Resisted
After
what?
It'll be
Okay.
outlined.
You're gonna.
It'll be
take
outlined
a
in the
seat.
affidavit.
Take a
But
seat.
resisted a
no,
lawful
but you
order.
said I
You're
gave
still
you.
resisting.
But I
You see
did
this?
give you my name.
In the state of Florida, you're
And you
still
didn't allow me
resisting.
to
Right
give
now,
you
you're still
my-
resisting.
my,
You're not following
I'm gonna
orders.
pull you
you
inside the car
guys,
if you don't go inside the
you
car.
guys didn't allow me to give you my ID.
Okay. Yep. Yes, we did.
No, you
Go
didn't.
inside, please. Come on, come on. I'm asking nicely.
You didn't do anything nicely. You
Yes, I did.
actually
Everything's on body
disrespected
camera. I'm very professional.
Florida Statute Section 843.0-2 criminalizes obstruction of an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty absent physical violence. Florida courts hold that passive resistance satisfies the statute. The subject's on-camera statement of intent to continue resisting is the prosecution's dispositive evidence. The early handcuffing is defensible under Muehler versus Mena. 2005. Restraint during detention does not constitute de facto arrest when circumstances justify it. The subject's unsolicited exit from the vehicle, physical resistance, and disclosure of a personal taser each independently support the restraint. On Miranda, Berkemer versus McCarty established that routine identification requests during a traffic stop do not constitute custodial interrogation. The officer's response was legally correct.
Isabella, are you okay? Do you need the fire department? Are you okay? You need a fire department. Fire department. She like a panic attack. How you doing? She's says she has asthma and panic attacks, and she says she's having a hard time breathing.
Okay. What's your first name, dear? What was that?
Rosa.
Rosa? Rosa, my name's AJ, okay? Do you take medicine for your panic attacks? Yeah, what do you take? What's that? Inhaler. Inhaler? You don't take it for anxiety attacks. Inhalers aren't for anxiety attacks.
I don't have insurance right now.
Okay.
They follow me in that car. They follow me in that car. They follow me in that car.
Rosa, you gotta relax.
Follow me in that car.
Hey, relax. You gotta relax. You
They
gotta relax.
follow me in that car. And they didn't even turn their signal on or anything. They didn't turn their signal on or anything. They followed me to my home and then they pulled me over in front of my house.
Hey, we're gonna put you on a little oxygen, okay? Rosa, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Deep breath. Right now. Deep breath. Deep breath. We're gonna put you on a little oxygen, okay? Alright, let's go right over your face, okay? We're gonna put it over your head. Blood pressure's on the way there.
Appreciate it, man.
Answering to 33 emergency west, talking on the 22.
Wait. I'm going in there. Yeah, I'm going on. Sorry. Thank you. No, you're good.
Like I said, we're not going to. We make the decisions, we don't. It's not going to change anything. You cost
I'll
out
cause a medical emergency.
All right, man.
for yourself, not us.
Give me a second.
You're gonna get in the car, okay?
I need help.
I'll help you. 3, 2, 1. Up. Use your legs. There you go. And put your butt in. Put your butt in.
Butt in first.
Butt on the chair. And swing your legs in.
The officers receive a B. The stop was legally grounded, force levels were proportionate, and the medical response during transport satisfied the 14th Amendment duty of care. Grade falls short of an A. The stop's reason was not communicated at the outset, a de-escalation failure that likely precipitated the entire confrontation. The subject receives a C+. Initial fear was credible and contextually documented. However, once officers were identified, Florida law imposed clear, unavoidable obligations. Mitigating factors, no physical violence, cooperation with paramedics, eventual compliance are genuine. The on-camera admission of intent to continue resisting is not. 3 takeaways. Florida Statute Section 322 Point 1 to 5 is non-negotiable. Constitutional objections to a stop are resolved in court, never on the roadside. Florida Statute Section 843. 0 to 2 does not recognize a good faith belief in unlawfulness as a defense, and on-camera statements carry the weight of sworn testimony. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Bodycam de-analysis for more content.